Hi students, in this video we go for textbook exercises page number 53. You have to open Marigold English textbook page number 53 for these exercises. We see now. Number 1, the words in the sentences are jumbled. Write them in order. 1 is done for you. यानी यहाँ पे सेंटेंस जो आपको दिए गए हैं मीन्स ये जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं वो जम्बल्ड है, मीन्स उल्टे सुलटे है, तो आपको उसको करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लिख के एक सेंटेंस बनाना है. हियर एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन टू यू. अलोन वॉज नॉट रॉबिन्सन एन आइलैंड ऑन. हियर वी मेक वन सेंटेंस. रॉबिन्सन वॉज नॉट अलोन ऑन एन आइलैंड. इस जो ये ऊपर जो दिया गया है उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है, लेकिन ये नीचे जो हमने सेंटेंस यहाँ पे दिया गया है इट इज़ द करेक्ट सेंटेंस. तो इस तरह से हमें बाकी और सेंटेंस बनाने हैं. Number 2, was island the inhabited? And the correct is the island was inhabited. Here we have to arrange the words according to sequence, और हमें उस sequence में word को लिख के एक meaningful sentence बनाना है कि जो island था वो inhabited था, means वहाँ पे कोई present था. Now we go for second, and this is page number 54. Number 2, footprint. Number 3, footprint to someone this belonged. The answer is this footprint belonged to someone. यानी ये footprint है जो किसी का है, मीन्स किसी आदमी का ही है. Number 4, I around me looked. यानी I looked around me. It is the correct order of sentence. यानी मैंने अपने आसपास देखा. Number 5, I went towards footprint large. I went towards the large footprint. Here two words are jumbled, footprint and large. We have to correct the sequence and we write that I went towards the large footprint. यानी मैं large footprint की ओर गया. Number 5, was afraid I now. Now I was afraid. It is the answer. You have to complete this exercise in textbook, and now we go for the second exercise, and here is the fill in the blanks with correct word. यानी यहाँ पे कुछ conjunctions आपको दिए गए joining words ऑप्शन में, तो आपको correct joining word यहाँ पे लिखना है. Number 1, I was frightened dash curious. यानी मैं घबराया हुआ था, मैं डरा हुआ था. Curious but curious, यानी मैं डरा हुआ भी था और पर मैं क्यूरियस था, यानी मुझे जिज्ञासा थी कि मैं कुछ क्या है वो मैं देखूं, जानूं, पहचानूं. Number 2, I decided to go to the beach dash I went along the water's edge. Here we write a so. It is the correct word. इसका मीनिंग होता है कि I decided to go to beach, यानी मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं बीच की और जाऊंगा. I went along the water's edge. So यानी उसकी वजह से मैं कहाँ पे जा पाऊंगा, पानी की जो एज यानी धार है वहाँ पे मैं जा पाऊंगा, वहाँ पे मैं गया. सो क्योंकि मैंने डिसाइड किया था इसलिए मैं वहाँ पे गया. Number 3, I ran as fast I could because I was frightened. Here we have to write here reason is mentioned here, so we write because I ran as fast as I could. यानी मैं जितना फास्ट हो सके उतना दौड़ा, क्योंकि बिकॉज यानी क्योंकि मैं डरा हुआ था. I was frightened. Number 5, I was very tired and confused. Here we have to write conjunction and. ये जो दो सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करता है. I was very tired and confused, यानी मैं थक भी गया था और कंफ्यूज भी हो गया था. So here the meaning of and is or. So these are the blanks, and now we go for page number 55, and here is also the exercise of conjunction. Use the joining words given below and join the sentences in column A and B. Here two columns are given to you, A and B, and we have to join the two sentences A with B with these conjunction words, these joining words. The options are or, and, so, but, and because. And now we write the answer, and we go for the answer now. First of all, we have to read these all sentences. I can sing well. She wore a raincoat. We may go to Shimla. He wanted a book for his birthday. He missed the school bus. I wrote the letter. This is incomplete. These are the sentences, and these are another sentences, and we have to join the correct. Join these two with the correct conjunction. First one, I forgot to post it. This is the first option. I forgot to post it, and example is given to you. I wrote the letter but I forgot to post it. यानी ये जो 6th नंबर में जो दिया गया है कि I wrote the letter, यानी मैंने लेटर लिखा, but here the conjunction is but I forgot to post it. मैं उसको पोस्ट करना भूल गया. तो here two contradictory things, दो विरोधी चीज़ है यहाँ पे कि मैंने लेटर लिखा बट उसको पोस्ट करना मैं भूल गया. Now we go for second. I can sing well. Here we have to join the word by conjunction. कौन सा conjunction आएगा यहाँ पे भी but ही आएगा. I can sing well but I can't dance at all. यानी मैं गा सकता हूँ पर मैं डांस नहीं कर सकता. Number 2, she wore a raincoat. Here we join this word by she wore a raincoat because it was raining. Here is the option, it was raining. She wore a raincoat because it was raining. And number 3, we may go to Shimla or Darjeeling. Here we may go to Shimla or we may go to Darjeeling, but we have to join the word with or conjunction. और यहाँ पे we may go to, ये कॉमन वर्ड्स है जो वो रिमूव हो जाएंगे और एक ही बार आएगा. we may go to शिमला और दार्जिलिंग. हम या तो शिमला जा सकते हैं या फिर दार्जिलिंग. नंबर 4, he wanted a book and a football for his birthday. He wanted a book for his birthday and he wanted a football for his birthday. We have to join now. He wanted a book and a football for his birthday. यानी यहाँ पे he wanted a book and a football for his birthday. कॉमन है तो एक ही बार आएगा. और he wanted a book and a football for his birthday. He wanted भी one time आएगा और his for his birthday वो भी one time आएगा. And now number 5, he missed the school bus, so he was late to school. He missed the school bus, so he was late to school. वो अपनी स्कूल बस मिस कर दी उसने, so that's why, इसीलिए वो स्कूल में लेट पहुंचा. So these are the sentences that we join by conjunctions. You have to complete these 3 exercises in textbook page number 53, 54 and 55. Thank you.